Oh my gosh, I cut my own hair. I'm sure I'm not the only one going through the quarantine who's doing this. Like, hey guys, so I am completely aware this is a pointless video. I don't know why I was just staring at the mic. Of course, during the quarantine time, I've been a little bored and I've been needing a haircut, and I actually did trim up my hair before I did this more dramatic cut on myself, but yeah, I can't go out and get a haircut, and I thought, you know what, desperate times call for desperate measures. I don't know why I keep staring at the microphone. Anyway, so this is my hair now. It's not too different from what you guys have seen before if you've been watching my channel for a little bit. I actually gave myself my last haircut that was very short like this, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is my quarantine haircut, and I'll show you guys some photos too of inspiration. Like, I have a secret Pinterest board of just this kind of haircut of what I was inspired by or what I was going for, so I'll insert those now. But again, I am completely aware this is a pointless video. It's just a bit of fun. Yeah, I was just ready for something new. I always do this. I've done this ever since I was, I was 13, I think, when I got a pixie cut. And ever since then, I have just been in the habit of growing my hair out and then chopping it off. Growing it out, chopping it off. I used to have a mohawk actually when I graduated from cosmetology school at Paul Mitchell, and that was in 2013, I believe. So this is what I just do. I didn't give myself a mohawk. Someone gave me an awesome mohawk. I'll insert some of those photos here, and I actually have a video on how to style a mohawk. Anyway, this is what my hair looks like now. I was going for something shaggy, bob, layered, texture kind of thing. Yeah, I'll just do a little spin here. Go the other way because that's easier. I actually haven't even looked at what the back looks like today. I have looked at the back since I've trimmed it and while cutting, but anyway. So I kind of wanted more of an angle going forward. At first when I cut my hair, it was straighter, and then I just decided to take the back up even shorter and leave these bits. But yeah, I think I liked my hair. I feel like I miss my hair when it was like just when I first got that bob, like a few years ago. I think it was in 2016. I really liked that cut. I thought that was just fun. It was so easy and quick to do my hair. I loved that haircut, and I think I might possibly, every time I say I'm gonna grow out my bangs, I always trim them. So this is what my bangs are like now. But yeah, I just like messy hair that doesn't take too much time to do. And I don't know, there's several things I could do with this haircut style-wise that I think would be kind of cute. But I also was thinking of possibly taking my bangs up even shorter, like doing shorter bangs, or like thinning out my bangs a little bit more to make them wispy. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think, because I might do that later today. I'm a mess. I was a little nervous about trimming my hair, just a little bit. So I'll link down a video that I actually kind of followed along with just for some inspiration and to have some guts to just chop my hair off. I know this is not recommended. If my friends from Paul Mitchell knew that I cut my own hair, they would have a heart attack. They'd probably be like, what? No, let me do it. This is obviously not recommended. I mean, yeah, if you want to cut your own hair, just be careful. Be careful, basically. But this is what it looks like. I kind of just wanted today's video to be a lighthearted, look at this, this is dumb, this is silly. I've seen several videos online of people like trimming their bangs and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted today's video to be light, pointless. Kyle, my husband, he helped me with the back because I was like, I just want shorter layers in the back, and he's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, just do it, just do it. I'm very carefree when it comes to my hair. I'm like, just, yeah. Also, it kind of helps that my hair is not, like, it's not naturally, like, slick straight or anything like that. I feel like when your hair is like that, you have to be very, very careful. So it depends on your hair texture, your hair type. But my hair is just very thick and unruly and big anyway, so I'm kind of like, what I'm trying to say is, it's much harder to cut your hair and have it be, like, a really nice haircut. Not that this is a really nice haircut, by any means. But if I had slick straight hair, I would not attempt to do this because that would be way too difficult. It would look choppy, like not in a good way. But since my hair is just kind of big anyway and coarse, I'm just like, I keep whacking and whacking. I'm like, I still have like orangutan, like a lot of hair. Like that was my nickname when I was little. little. When I was first adopted, it was a baby orangutan. Like, I had a lot of hair. I've always had a lot of hair. Anyway, it is kind of fun to make these lighthearted videos just as a distraction. If you guys like me, I like looking on YouTube at just kind of lighthearted fun videos right now. Just wanted to show off the haircut that I gave myself. And again, I hope you guys are having a good day. I keep playing with my hair. Yeah, that's it for this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.